I occasionally get requests for subtitles on my videos to make it easier for folks to follow along, particularly for those who are hearing impaired or for those for whom English is not their first language, or maybe not any of their languages. And so, fortunately, YouTube has that figured out. So let me show you how we do this. So if you go to a video and down here in the lower right-hand corner, you see all these icons. If you click on the CC for closed captioning, that'll bring up the subtitles. And then right next to that, the little gear icon for settings, click on that, then go to subtitles, and then click on auto translate. And then there's all these different languages, and you can scan through there and find your language. So for instance, Czech, there you go. And hopefully your language is there, and that'll make it easier for you to follow along with the tapping videos. And hopefully it makes it easier for you to share with friends and family who might not speak English. And we'll get tapping out to a lot more folks. I can't guarantee the translation is going to be perfect, but hopefully it's close enough that you can get the general idea and get a lot of benefit from the tapping. So thanks.